Let's see how we can leverage JSONPath support for kubectl. As we can see, we can specify the format of the output in various types, one of which being JSONPath. So in our case, we have a couple of pods in the kube system namespace, and let's say we would like to take the IPs of these pods. For that, we're going to use the JSONPath, and we're going to filter for our desired field. In our case, for all items, we're going to take the status and then of course pod IP. As we can see, we have the IPs for each pod in this namespace, and you might wonder how did we know each field for this object, and the answer is pretty simple. We can use kubectl explain our desired object, and as we can see, we have status. We have the status field, so under the status field we have various fields, various other fields like pod IP. Of course, we can use, let's say, phase if we want to take a look at it. So if instead of pod IP we would like to take a look at the phase, we can do that as well. And of course, if we would like to see the values for each field for a certain object, let's take a look once more, and let's say we would like to see the fields for the metrics pod using JSONPath. We can pass the entire object, and let's pipe it to JQ, and now we have all the fields and their values for the desired object. In our case, the pod metric server.